Welcome back to the Collectible Card Guide channel. Today we have another box opening video. Today it's actually going to be Pokemon Crown Zenith. We actually have a Morpeko V-Union Premium Playmat Collection box. We ordered this from GameStop, however it did come with some slight damage at the bottom of the box, so instead of keeping it in the collection, we're going to go ahead and open it. So let's get ripping. So this box does come with the V-Union promo cards, the large card, and a playmat, obviously, and also 5 packs of Crown Zenith. Alright, so here is our playmat. We'll go ahead and put that at the top here. Alright, so we have everything out of the box now. So we have our playmat, we have our large V-Union card, we have our 4 promo V-Union cards as well, we have our Professor Burnett promo card, and we also have a code card that we got in the box. And then we also have our 5 packs of Crown Zenith. So as usual, we'll take our first pack and add it to our rainy day collection. And we'll go ahead and start ripping packs. Alright, let's go ahead and start ripping into pack number 1 here. So start off with Energy, Graveler, Rare Candy, Luxio, Mr. Mime, Sunkern, Coughing, Oddish, Salandit, Reverse Hollow Pancham. We finish off the pack with Lacron Rock. Alright, let's go on to our next pack. Code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Pinchurchin, Rescue Carrier, Bisharp, Chatot, Yanma, Pawniard, Bidoof, Potion, Reverse Hollow Salandit, and a Berserker. Alright, let's go on to our next pack. Alright, code card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Energy. Giragorig, Pinchurchin, Rescue Carrier, Whalmer, Corphish, Shinx, Pawniard, Seal. We have a Reverse Hollow Pangoro, and a Regigigas V. Nice pull. Alright, final pack of our box opening. Code card. 1, 2, 3. Looks like we're going to get a V-Star. Alright, so we got a V-Star. Let's see. We got Electric, Ultra Ball, Girafargic, Cherubi, Execute, Rockruff, Purloin, Love Disc, Reverse Hollow Lunatone, and Heliolisk. No V-Star. V-Star card, no V-Star. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also remember to check out our eBay page, and we'll see you in the next video.